From back of house to front of store, the Motorola Solutions CLPe Series is your stylish and essential team communication tool, built to last all day, every day, in retail and in hospitality. The lightweight palm-sized radio design helps you discreetly and comfortably carry the CLPe with you through extended shifts. The simple-to-use radio design features a smart status LED glow ring, large and centrally located push-to-talk button, and voice-assisted menu prompts, allowing users to focus less on the radio and more on the customer. The CLPe Series features an IP54 rating, built to withstand the abuse that comes from everyday business usage, such as being dropped or exposed to dust and water. However, if damage or wear and tear does occur, Motorola Solutions offers the industry-leading 2-year full replacement warranty from the date of purchase. The Motorola Solutions CLPe Series radios operate on 1 watt of power that can reach up to 100,000 square feet and up to 10 floors, based on your business's specific needs. The smart status glow ring around the push-to-talk indicates active channel, transmit and receive status, scan, volume level, and battery level, making radio status checks easy and intuitive. The newest and possibly most important feature is Escalate Call. This allows a radio to initiate an emergency call to alert other users of a high-risk situation, streamlining your communications when it matters most. Predefined or custom voice prompts are available as well to help your staff identify the channels they should be using. Running into static or interference? CLPe Series radios give you a choice of 99 business-exclusive licensed UHF frequencies and 219 privacy codes to ensure a secure network for optimal communication. Each radio option also provides a battery life up to 18 hours, perfect for routine shift changes. For any concerns of multiple people using the same radio, Motorola Solutions CLPe Series radio housings contain antimicrobial properties to prevent the spread of pesky germs, bacteria, and viruses to put those worries to rest. The CLPe Series features 2 models, both operating in the UHF frequency range, making them best for indoor and outdoor usage. Both models include all the features previously listed. The CLP1010e is a 1-channel radio, best for small retail, food service, and doctor's offices. The CLP1080e is an 8-channel radio, best for large-scale retail, food service, and doctor's offices. The CLP1080e also offers channel scan functionality. Each radio package includes a CLPe radio, standard lithium-ion rechargeable battery, a 5-hour single-unit charger with wall adapter, swivel belt clip, swivel earpiece, and CLPe user's guide. If you need additional accessories, here are some of our most popular options. If you're looking for the best radio in retail and hospitality, stay focused, stylish, and connected with Motorola Solutions CLPe Series 2-way radios.